What's going on?
We're going on offense. Taking over Marlboro Drive. One man per stop. Anybody gives you shit,
Fuck them up.
smack them around, no killing.
What, afraid of little blood?
Dog Eyes is son on ye. We're taking the route, not declaring war.
Ganass is fine by me. I'll take this one.
Good job.
Yeah, kick his ass. What? Wait, hold on, man. How come we're going after Dog Eyes? Shouldn't we be fighting 18K? Dog Guy came after us? This is payback. Plain and simple. What if Dog Eyes complains to Big Smile Lee? What if he sends Mr. Tong after us?
Look, dude. Dog Eyes might work for me, but Winston Ashes directed Uncle Phil. Nobody is going to fuck with him.
Ah!
Nobody.
Hey, this dog will beat you.
This is our stop now.
Yeah, fuckers.
Are you insane? I'll give you that.
Thanks.
Yeah, we have another guy with us a while back. He was good with his fist too. Came out of nowhere. Good story. Didn't talk much. You remind me of him. A lot. Turned out he was a cop. That's why he couldn't kill anyone. See? So now we know how to spot a rat.
You talking about? You know that?
You know what they do to traitors, right? When Tong is done with them, he buries them alive. 6 feet under. Nobody coming for you.
Hey, fuck you, Conroy.
I still think about that poor fucker sometimes.
Let's go.
No, you stay here. I'll deal with this. Watch how a real man does it.
Son of a bitch.
Wait, you better get them.
Hey, you. You want this route, you gotta pay for it.
Are you stoned? I already paid, Dog Eyes.
Belongs to Winston now.
Winston. I don't know no Winston.
Pull over and I'll tell you about it.
You're wasting my time.
How about I break your legs and see how you drive then, huh?
I still drive better than you. I finished my rope before you finished picking your nose. Winston must be recruiting the bad business from across the border. You never seen a car before? Go back to your view before you get hurt.
You gonna do comedy from your hospital bed, pal?
Everybody laugh, but you Walter Street boys. You mess with me and Dog Eyes, it's going to cut you into little pieces. You want my money? Go ask Dog Eyes for it.
Hey, listen. This route is mine. You wanna drive a Dog Eyes route? Move to one he actually owns.
I don't pay twice for the same route.
You know what? You're taking your life in your own hands. You're gonna pay, funny guy.
I don't pay you. I drive my route.
You're gonna regret this.
OK OK。
咁你估發生咩事啊嗱？
There's a slight problem with your bus, so we're doing a change. Don't worry, people. After a quick change of drivers, we're on our way.
我好忙㗎，你知唔知塞一塞我冇咗幾多錢啊？
This is five word，你有肺
哇！你做乜嘢啊？
Hang on.
？You can't drive this word. Who the hell are these guys?
Mistaken identity, people. Don't panic.
Let me off! I don't want to be a statistic!
Don't worry.
唔係啊，咩事啊嘛？唔好嚇我啊！
哥，來人！
救命啊！你哋依嚟對正幾好啊！
The real bus driver never drives like this.